Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful, elegant, and exquisite video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful and elegant collection of hand embroidered dresses, that is full length or mid length dresses. All of these hand embroidered dresses are inspired from one type of stylized pattern, that is floral embroidery patterns, along with a variation of frocks, plated dresses, and mostly giving a frock look. So this absolute collection of hand embroidery dresses is absolutely favorable for petite body dresses who are sleek, thin, and want to look healthy, beautiful, and chubby face. So now let's move back towards our main concern, which is how these stylized patterns of embroidery could be beautified and elegant collection of your final dresses for summer could be made. So, in other words, who are in search of summer dresses, who are in search of embroidery dresses, who are in search of decent and elegant, decent, uh, trendy, and technical, soft, lightweight, breathable, handwork, hand art dresses, designs. This video collection is absolutely for you. But before going into the further depth and details, I have a simple request to you that if you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you're watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends and family. If you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from a number of many other devices so that we could grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. Guys, this video is a three-dimensional treat to you that you can use these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery for machine embroidery as well. And the design is content are not limited to this only. You can also make use of them for stitching stylized patterns as well. So, if you really like, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos on my channel. Until then, take care, stay blessed, stay tuned for the new and latest content on my channel.